Thank you, Eric. We are working some breaking news out of Wall Street, where it was a day of non-stop action. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 500 points. Stocks look to recover from the biggest drop in six and a half years, I should say. The market spent most of today's session wavering between negative and positive territory, following yesterday's 1,100-point drop. Eyewitness News reporter Caroline Goggin is in the Breaking News Center now with more. Caroline?
Well, Mike, it was kind of a roller coaster of a day on Wall Street earlier. In the first few seconds of trading, the Dow lost about 500 points, and then in about 2 minutes, it recovered about 400 points. Now, the Dow closed up more than 560 points, or 2%. The sell-off comes amid fears that faster than expected economic growth might lead to higher interest rates and inflation. The catalyst was the January jobs report, which showed wages increasing by 2.9% from a year ago. That's the fastest pace since the recession. The wild ride has many people with money in the markets wondering what they should do.
If people are already invested, this is actually welcome volatility that we've had. We have gone 400 days without a 5% correction in this marketplace. So if we get a little bit of inflation, and that inflation means that the economy is experiencing positive growth, that's a good thing.
But what if you haven't invested in the markets and you want to? We'll tell you what to do coming up tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Caroline Goggin, Eyewitness News.
Well, tonight we continue tracking the wild swings on Wall Street. After yesterday's big drop, the Dow rebounded this afternoon. Eyewitness News reporter Caroline Goggin joins us live in studio now to tell us what you need to know. Caroline?
Well, Shannon, I talked to a financial advisor with Merrill Lynch Providence this afternoon. She tells us this volatility can actually be a good thing. This is what the Dow looked like when the market closed yesterday, a drop of more than 1,100 points. After the markets opened this morning, it was up and down all day long. And this was the closing number this afternoon, up more than 500 points. Merrill Lynch financial advisor Edith DeMarco tells us a correction was actually overdue. She says it wasn't normal that the markets went more than a year without volatility. So to those who have invested, she tells them not to worry. For those who still want to, she had this piece of advice.
Stay calm, assess what your situation is, and then develop a strategy. We don't think that jumping in, jumping out is ever a good long-term strategy.
And DeMarco also says people who are planning to invest don't need to put in their money all at once. The important thing is to stick to your own plan to meet your investment goals as safely as possible. I'm Caroline Goggin, Eyewitness News.